Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a Galaxy DX-86V doing a tune-up report for Mark in Texas. Okay, Mark starting at AM with the power all the way down. Take a look at this watt meter up here. Got 10 watts on top scale. Put it in AM. Okay. Put this radio in AM. That's low. And that's with the power all the way up. So from 1 to 10. Peak power was 50 watts like. It's in the middle, 30, 40, 50 right there. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. And on sideband. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. Turn that one down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check. Audio. Excellent. Okay. Back down to here. That's it for the power. I bought it, Skip Land. I'm going to try to get in all this mess with a barefoot radio. I'm not kidding. Barefoot radio, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 642. We're trying.
Yeah, careful on your right on, man. Don't you stop what you need to pick up. 8420, tell me he's going to have to get up on a milk crate and get on his tippy toes. 8420, tell me he's going to have to get on a milk crate and get on his tippy toes, because I got my good eye on you, East Texas style. I'm gone. Come on, in the bayou.
One more time, I'm trying. 642, 642, screwdriver, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're trying.
Hello, 642, you're making the trip. It's rough in here, though, I guarantee you. Hello, 642. One-Eye Jack, Lone Star, Texas.
10-4 in the Lone Star, Texas. Thank you very much. You have a fine one. We'll back out.
Good day.
That's pretty good, Beverly.